how to reduce the motion of the user interface, including the parallax effect of icons on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, tap on Accessibility. Then we go down and tap on Motion. At the top here, tap on Reduce Motion toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. Once you turn on Reduce Motion, it can reduce the motion of the user interface, including the parallax effect of icons. And that's it. If you switch it off, you can see that Preferred Crossfading Transition is also not available for you. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.